Real estate is a powerful investment. It can create wealth and passive income. Many people think you need lots of money to start, but this isn't true. You can invest in real estate with no money down. How? Through creative strategies and partnerships. This essay will show you how. We'll explore practical methods to get started. Get ready to unlock the potential of real estate investing. Real estate offers tangible assets. Unlike stocks, you own a physical property. This can provide a sense of security. Plus, real estate often appreciates in value over time. This means your investment can grow. One way to invest with no money is through partnerships. Find someone with capital who wants to invest in real estate. You bring the deal and manage the property. They provide the funds. You can structure the partnership in many ways. You might split the profits, or you might receive a management fee. It's important to have a clear agreement in writing. For example, let's say you find a great deal on a duplex. You partner with someone who invests the down payment, you manage the property, find tenants, and handle repairs. The rental income covers the mortgage, expenses, and your profit share. Another option is creative financing. This means finding alternative ways to finance the deal. Two popular methods are seller financing and private money lending. Seller financing is when the seller acts as the bank. They finance the purchase for you. This can be a win-win. You get to buy the property, and the seller earns interest. Private money lenders are individuals who lend money for real estate. They typically charge higher interest rates than banks. However, they may be more flexible with their lending criteria. Investing in real estate with no money down is possible. It takes creativity, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Start by researching your local market. Network with other investors. Explore different strategies. Remember, you don't need to buy a huge apartment complex right away. Start small with a single-family home or a duplex. As you gain experience and build capital, you can expand your portfolio. The world of real estate investing awaits. Take the first step today and unlock your financial freedom.